powerful tornado touched down in North Texas overnight, causing widespread destruction. It's terrifying. The tornado ravaged neighborhoods with winds exceeding 110 miles an hour.
The first thing I did was, I just paused and took a breath because I couldn't believe it.
I came in the day after, and I think I was speechless at first because I just couldn't believe it because I just saw it on Friday.
Trees down, roofs off, buildings crumbled, brick everywhere, cars demolished, windshields blown out. Had we been on campus, I think there would have been some non-survivors.
It took my breath away. How do we rebuild?
It makes you really, really thankful and really grateful that, things happened at the timing that they did and that no lives were lost.
This is a lot like a phoenix rising from the ashes. The destruction here is actually clearing the way for a new building and to modernize. This will be a time I think they will all be glad they were here at this point in our story.
When Dr. Morgan started in 2016, he had many challenges in front of him. His vision, when that tornado hit, he made this process right. Without his leadership, we would not be sitting here today.
South building is above and beyond anything that you could ask for as a student.
Being a Tri-2 student coming in here the first time, I was not expecting this.
Everyone that works at Parker makes it really feel like a home, so it's nice coming here every morning.
When I saw the South building for the first time, it felt like this is the place where I want to be. It felt new, it felt like a breath of fresh air.
At the end of the day, it's not just a building, it's the people.
I hope we never experience it again. But it's been a wonderful lesson to be in gratitude and be thankful for what we do have.